Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix low resolution photos Walgreens. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you're seeing low resolution photos when trying to print through the Walgreens app, first what you need to do is make sure your photos are high resolution, ideally at least 300 pi or dpi for prints. Avoid heavily cropped or zoomed in images which they lose quality, and you can use correct file format by using JPEG, PNG or HEIC, and avoid screenshots or highly compressed images which look pixelated when printed. Then on your phone, use the Photos app or photo editor to resize or enhance your image, and make sure the dimensions are large enough for the print size you want, from 4x6, 5x7 or 8x10. Then next is to simply head over and tap on the Photos tab on the bottom of the screen, then tap on the print option and then tap on your device option and choose the photo that you want to print. Then once done, follow the on-screen prompts to successfully print your photos in high resolution. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.